Hello, in this video I will explain how to add Kantu to the browser. So open the Chrome browser and go to the apps and click on the web store here. You can find the link for the same in the description box. So go to the search and type Kantu here. This is the Kantu version. Click on add to Chrome. Now it will ask you to confirm. So click on the add extension. Wait till it gets installed. Now Kantu has been installed to the Chrome. This is how you have to install Kantu to your browser. Send us your queries and suggestions to sales@testonneed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.